All right. Got me again. Want my son to ride dirt bikes. Found this really cheap on Facebook. Middle of the night. Went and got it. Really cheap though. Half price of what they go for normally. But we got some real good tire action going on here. The motor sounds really good. He started it for me last night. It was like 30 degrees last night, so if it started up then we're good to go. We'll pull the rear tire off, see what we're working with. He says it's got a new rear tube, but it looks folded in there, so probably gonna need all tires and tubes. I'm hoping to go ride today. Everybody's riding. I wanted to play, but yeah, we'll check it out. All right, got her off, but if you look, I don't know how well you can see that. She's folded, but it's still puffy. I don't know what's going on here. So let me try to snake this out. See if we can't salvage this for the day. But yeah, this is over New Year's holidays. That's why I'm just trying to throw this together. We're having a New Year's party and, you know, might want to do some wheelies. But yeah, this was folded over. But it feels like a new tube. Like brand new tube. Feels good. And it was holding air. I don't know how that was, but it pulled and folded over. I think he was saying something about his kid. I think his kid just got a hold of it, didn't put it in right. But I'm gonna try to pull this around because it's real tight on this side. You can't even see it. And then get her out and we'll put some air in her. All right, he said it was a new tube and looks pretty new. It's the right size, but he said he rode it with it flat, so it probably ruined the tire. I wore this edge down. But we're still gonna put the tube in there and pump her up real hard just to get her to work for the night. Just went back in with my new tube. You didn't see it because of the power of editing in YouTube as I went during the holidays to the motorcycle shop and got me a brand new tube. Putting her back in right now, and we're gonna probably get let down here in a couple minutes. I'm not saying it's pretty. And no, I'm not putting my kid on this. This is just for me to ride today. But bro, it's holding air. Now, if you look close, see, she's a little stretched from them riding it without the rim. I mean, without the tire aired up. So it may just pop right off, but it's worth putting it back on the bike now. She's holding air. Then I looked up here and realized that this tire doesn't have that much air. So, yes. All right, throwing the wheel back on, and I noticed it didn't have this little barrel nut. It's just a piece of aluminum with the hole in it to actuate the brakes. So what I did was I went and got on my lathe with the billet copper just to make for soft braking, you know. I went ahead and milled me out a piece of copper tubing because that's all I got with a hole in it. But I put this nut on the wrong side, so now I gotta take it off to put it on this side. But that's it. Then we're gonna put the adjusters on, put the chain on, get it all adjusted up. Gas is barely on because it was pouring out. gonna pull the seat and the tank off, see what we're working with here. Something to do with the throttle cable. Looks like a cheapy carb. You know what's crazy? I've never taken the seat off of one of these 50s. It's all one piece. Now she's skiing, man. Take this one more bolt off and we'll have the tank off. What you don't want to see is this was just butted up against here. And it was dirty in here. I wiped it out, but like you could see it. Ugh. Great, great. So pull this guy apart. We're gonna clean it. We're gonna get this properly installed back on here. Oh, all right. Well, gonna get the barely existent filter. Nice. Hope they didn't try to ride this long. Alright, I'm gonna go clean all this out. By the way, this wasn't even the problem. I just so happenly found this. I'm gonna have to get that gasket back on this ridge, pop all this back together, and just, you know, probably throw like a t-shirt in here or a sock. Make it suck at least something cleaner than nothing, or just nothing because we're just riding it today. Alright, got the cute little carburetor pulled off. Look at this. It's hilarious. Alright, I'm gonna pull these dogs off, make sure it's good to go, and then see why I had a high idle. Probably gonna be something to do with the slide not going all the way in. But let's check it out. That'll do her, bud. She was all stuck up in there, buddy. So now we're gonna throw her back together once we clean her up a little bit, and she should be whipping. Pull the cover off, see how she's doing. Got a little bit of gap in there, she's good to go. Yep, that's a piece of a sock going in there. Better than a disintegrated air filter, and it's just for the day. And we put that. Oh, all the cars are passing now that I'm working on stuff. Put that this way. Alright. Now for the fun part. The Intake boot. See that? That lip has to go here. It doesn't. That was not like that. That was like that, but it doesn't matter, does it? Alright, we're gonna get this off. See, it does have a locator right there. Okay, okay. Their last thing on their mind was caring about this. Look at there. It's factory. Literally. You know, you get that. Throw them back on. See how we're doing. Not bad. That front tire aired up. Back tire aired up. Fixed that. Cleaned the air filter. Made an air filter. Cleaned the air box. Still idles up a little bit. It wants to rise up and then come down. We'll see. I got a party to get to. I'm gonna go rip it real quick. Let's take a little dog for a ride, huh? Woo! Oh, she runs good. These handlebars, we gotta do something about them bars. Whoa, whoa, brakes, brakes. All corn's gone. Heck yeah, this thing would be perfect to put some training wheels on for my son. Should I dare try out the new trail? Oh my God, it's rough. I want to go hit the bridge. All right, this is my bridge I made for the dirt bikes. It's not done yet. I'm gonna put like crushed gravel and rocks and stuff, concrete on each side to cap it off. And then there'll be a big trail about a half mile long going around a loop in this river back here. Check this out. Trail goes up that way. First time this has ever been ridden on. I was only walking through here. Here we go. This is the area we actually cleared for the bikes. Swim hole. This is probably gonna be the chill area. She's starting to idle down, by the way. Oh, maybe not. As soon as I said something. Different sitting on a bike. Oh, big hole. Okay, I have to rethink that. Turn. Woo! All right, back to where I started. This would be much better on a big bike. Pretty. This is where we're making the bridge across here. Another bridge, I should say. We're making another bridge across here. Go back up and go across the other bridge. video at all. Only got one hand doing video. Climbed up that hill, pain in the ass. Dude, she proved herself. We're putting her back in the truck. We're going to the party. Heck yeah. All right, thanks for watching. Just a quick little, you know, cute fix up on the old CRF 50. It's a 2005, if I ever, I didn't know if I said that or not. But 400 bucks? Come on. I'm riding it in 3 hours for 400 bucks. But yeah, I mean, you know, it needs a genuine carburetor. We'll put some training wheels on it for my son. I'm gonna clean the wheels, probably put new plastics on it, and she'll be just like new. The engine sounds great. But she proved herself. Now let's go rip it at the New Year's party. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this video. It really helps. Subscriptions really help as well. And as you can tell, we're all over the place. A lot of jet ski stuff during the summer. Dirt bikes, cars, really whatever I can get my hands on. I'll fix a freaking wheelchair. Thanks for watching.